Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name in Google AdSense in 2026. So if you made a mistake during setup or your legal name changed, this guide will help you update it correctly. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside the dashboard, click the Payments tab from the left side menu. Now go to Settings or Manage Settings under Payments Information. Here you'll see your account holder name. This is the name used for payments and verification. Important, AdSense does not always allow direct name changes. In many cases, you must update legal information or create a new account if the name is completely wrong. If editing is allowed, click the Edit option and enter your correct legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. After updating, click Save to confirm your changes. Sometimes Google may ask you to verify your identity again after changing your name. And make sure your AdSense name matches your bank account and ID exactly, or payments could get delayed. If you can't change your name, you may need to contact AdSense support for help or correction options. So that's how to change your name in Google AdSense in 2026. Just be careful with details, because accuracy is very important for payments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.